Welcome back to this new tutorial in Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the SUMIFS function. The SUMIFS function is used to calculate the total of numbers based on more than one condition or criteria. Here in this example, I have sales data of different electronic items sold in different cities of USA. My requirement here is to calculate the total of quantity sold for the item selected in F9 cell, and for the city selected in G9 cell. Here item name is the first condition, and city name is the second condition. Sales quantities should be added when both condition meets. For this, first click on the H9 cell. Press equals, then type SUMIFS. Open a bracket. First parameter is the sum range, where you have to select the numbers to be added range. So, select the quantity range of source table. Give a comma. In the criteria range 1, select first condition range in source table. That is the item name range. Then give a comma. In criteria 1, select the item name in the F9 cell. Then give a comma. In the criteria range 2, select the city name range of source table. Give a comma. In the criteria 2, select the city name in the G9 cell. Close the bracket, then press enter. The total sales quantity that meets both criteria, that is the item and city, is now calculated as 141 units. Let's change here the city name to Dallas. Sales quantity changes automatically. Let's change the item name to refrigerator, and the value updates here. Formula is working perfectly. So, this is how we use the SUMIFS function in MS Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you are new here, request you to subscribe this channel. Also give a thumbs up to this video if it is useful. Bye for now. See you in next tutorial.